Hope everybody's in good health. Today, we're going to put on color to the back of this jacket. I will put the advertisement of course, the website of the channel. 2 sites. I will put this in turquoise. Outline the letters onto the jacket. Now I will put on the back the color in letters. And after I put the color on, I'll let it dry. Then, to make it adhere stronger, I will turn it inside out and iron the letters. So I iron the letters will adhere with the fibers of the jacket, and it will become more secure on the back. Okay, so now we're finished. We have the turquoise on the letters, so it stands out. And what I'll do is I'll let it dry, and after it dries, then what we'll do, we'll turn it over on the other side, and what we'll do is we'll iron from the underside. We'll put parchment paper over this, turn it over, and use the iron. Use the iron on pretty low heat. And basically what you want to do is you want to count. What I do is I count to 15 on each section that I lay the iron.